Villa Lucia.
Sama apa main di puncak nih? Villa Lucia.
Centro Tematico del Vino.
Tadi harusnya gue pakai kupluk ya.
Vino artinya anggur.
Villa.
Jadi kita bersama rombongan mau ngetes, rasakan wine dulu di tempat ini. Nah, ini sejuk. Inilah tempat-tempat anggur. Jadi di sini adalah perkebunan anggur yang sudah tua. Nah, inilah tempat anggur. Difragmentasi. Nah, kita akan memasuki tempat. Nah,
welcome to Villavecina. My name is Ivan. I'll be your guide today. Only sorry for my Spanish-English accent. Sorry, okay? I try to speak slowly, okay? If you don't understand anything, please ask me, okay? Now, first to start, here we don't have a winery. Here we have a museum. We explain all process to make Rioja wines.
all of wine. Wow. Bayangkan punya koleksi sebanyak ini di rumah. Nih nanti punya koleksi sebanyak ini boleh nggak ya? Wow. Ini berapa puluh liter nih? Kita mau turun ke tempat pembuatan wine.
And for example, here at the bottom has jewels, okay? It's not a problem for us if you won't touch. Because, for example, here do you have different types of grapes that we have here in Rioja, okay? In this part, Rioja is very big, and here we arrive at a place, the Phylloxera.
Ya, ini dulunya begini.
And when we make a first or start or close up to the wine, to the down of the tap, and then we filter. Here we have the second disease of the wine. In our wine, they speak about phylloxera.
Ini barel wine untuk fragmentasi nanti di sini. Nah, ini di bawah tanah. Ini koleksinya. Ini sudah berdebu.
Oke, Bapak Ibu yang mau mendengarkan boleh mendekat ke dalam. Yang mau mendengarkan boleh mendekat ke dalam.
Ini makin lama makin enak ini.
Ya.
Nih, bingung dia. Ini testing yang penting.
Oke, nanti kemana?
Here we have the cellar.
Tuh semua penuh.
Here we have the old bottles that we have in the museum in 14 years.
14 years.
Many different Rioja wines, for example.
Jadi
This is
disimpan dulu di sini ya.
because in all wineries they have this, okay?
Tuh, ini semua ini.
The one in this position,
Ini wine semua ini penuh.
good manner to conserve from any time.
Setelah
And finally, I would
menerima
like to thank
penjelasan
everyone for their participation in this meeting. Thank you.
dari awal sampai akhir pembuatan anggur, akhirnya
Yeah,
dibawa
everything went great. Yeah, I'm on my way.
menonton
I'll get there just in time for the meeting. Leave the dossier on my desk.
perihal
Tell him that
wine.
we do not accept those terms.
Finally, Akhirnya kita saatnya
minum-minum ya, Pak.
minum-minum. Ini dia.
It's coming to you. If you want to make a tasting of the wine, never make this. Okay? If you say make this in all restaurant, it's wrong. Because do you need a white superficie inflame the glass? Make the one and then the wine, the two glass. If you don't make in the eye, you can use the table.
Jadi dibandingin Pak nomor 2 sama nomor 3 warna sama
Jadi diputar-putar dulu sebelum diminum.
Bandingin untuk dari
Ya. Nah, setelah digoyang baru kita minum.
kali
ini sekedar udah terjual.
It's not a problem. If you drink now the second glasses,
Pak Ibu ada pertanyaan yang jawab dapat
Salam dari Villa Lucia. Kami telah selesai mendengarkan penjelasan pembuatan anggur. Tadi nonton film cukup
in the front.
setengah jam mungkin, dan akhirnya sekarang mencicipi ada 3 rasa. Salam dari Villa Lucia, Spanyol.